Want to make your story more personalized and unique by using the new Cutout tool on Instagram? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to use Cutout in Instagram Story. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Tap on the plus icon at the top left. Then select the background that you like. Now tap on the sticker icon at the top beside the tool icon. Here, tap on the cutout icon. Now select the picture that you want to remove the background of. If you're not satisfied with the sticker it created, tap on Select manually and you can choose what part to make the sticker of. Then tap on Use Sticker. Now you can resize the picture and use it as much as you like to create the story that you like. This is how mine turned out like. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.